Hey guys, welcome back to Cross Street Classic, back to our indoor studios, back on our Lincoln Mark III build. And today we have an exciting day. We're going to be putting the front and rear glass in. So this is the original glass out of the car. We got it cleaned up, did a quick polishing, and we put our primer on here. And we put our primer on our car. We're letting it dry. We have all of our clips in, all the moldings are polished and ready to go in. We're going to let this dry for a little bit. We're going to put our ribbon on here. So we have our 3M butyl ribbon to put on. We're going to put this on. And this is the same stuff they use from the factory. A lot of people use urethane, but we're going to use this because it's easier to get back out when you got to take it apart. So we have our ribbon in place, Blake is in place, and Jim and I are going to put the window in place. Alright guys, so we got the trim on here. Everything went fairly easy. Gave it a few good karate chops to set it in place. We're going to wipe everything down. And Jim and Blake are over there priming the windshield. So that's going to be our next adventure. We'll set the camera up here and do that. guys, so I realized that I never finished filming this video for the windshield installation. I'm a little bit behind on my videos, but this is a shot of everything all done, trims all on. Even went through and sealed here behind this molding from the vinyl roof, and there's a little sneak peek of the car, a little bit more complete than what the first part of this video shows. But it went well. Everything's good. Windshield looks real nice in here for being a 60-year-old or a 50-year-old windshield. So that's going to conclude this video, guys. Like I said, there's a little sneak peek of the car here. I don't want to get too much in it. So we'll catch you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you.